This video here is for Majid's Tuesday class at 12 p.m. My name is John, and today we're going to talk about power generation in Northern Africa. Countries in Northern Africa include Libya, Sudan, Western Sahara, Algeria, Egypt, Tunisia, and Morocco. The following video is going to talk about power generation throughout these countries, but also future goals and plans for the development of Northern Africa's power industries.
Thanks, John. Coming to you live now is Kyle Lawrence on some fun facts of Northern Africa. First of all, North Africa's generated voltages are 120 to 230 and a frequency of 50 hertz. Libya's population is just under 6.5 million. They feed this population with power generation from oil and natural gas. By 2020, Libya plans to generate up to 10% of its consumption from renewable sources. Egypt has a population of 90 million, generating power from oil, hydro, wind, natural gas, solar, and a little bit of coal. By 2020, Egypt is planning to generate up to 20% of power from renewable sources.
Hello, yes, my name is Nicholas Barker, and I'm going to be talking about Sudan. Sudan has a population of 30,894,000 people. The types of power generation are oil, hydro, and their common power is 230 volts with a frequency of 50 hertz. Sudan plans to increase hydro and thermoelectric energy generation by the year 2020 with 3,155 megawatts to bridge the gap in electricity supply. Now let's talk about Tunisia. Tunisia has roughly a population of 11 million. Their types of power generation include oil, natural gas, and renewable energy. Tunisia, by 2030, plans to generate up to 30% of its consumption from renewable energy sources.
Thanks, Nick. Next up on the list is Morocco. The population of Morocco is 32,226,000, and the types of power generation it uses is oil, coal, natural gas, biofuels, hydro, wind, and solar. By 2020, 42% of Morocco's energy capacity will come from renewable energy sources. Next up on the list is Western Sahara with a population of 350,000. Unfortunately, there is no power generation in Western Sahara, but it is in the making for the future. Morocco has plans to construct solar and wind farms on Western Sahara's territory. And last but not least, we have Algeria. Algeria's population is 37,100,000. The types of power generation they use is oil, natural gas, and hydro. Algeria wanted to install hybrid solar combined cycle plants with 20 megawatt solar out of the 150 Hassi RML plant commissioned in 2011.
Thanks, guys. Chris here. It's interesting to see after researching this project how, in some parts of Africa, energy is more than just about turning on a light or having the ease of cooking food. Some parts of Africa that have adopted renewable energy programs have been able to generate employment opportunities and a sense of individual empowerment. In some parts of Africa, energy, renewable or not, can facilitate in the creation of schools and give teachers a greater resource for the freedom of information. Northern Africa has displayed a diminished percentage of poverty with the introduction of these types of programs. This is one of the many accomplishments that energy production in remote areas can have.
Thanks, Chris. I hope you all saw the beauty of power in Northern Africa. This is the Mustard Tigers signing out.